Hello, I'm Nerida. I'm here with this great man, Sashi, who is a Masterchef extraordinaire and now a business mogul.
Mogul? What an introduction.
I know, it doesn't get better than that.
Thank you so much. You know, I'm very excited to share this beef rendang.
Yes.
Even though it's a beef rendang recipe, you can make it into a chicken rendang.
I love it.
You can make it into a lamb rendang.
Yeah.
You can even do a vegetarian rendang.
Because it's so inexpensive, it feeds 4 people.
A fraction of a price that you pay
Fraction of the price.
for a takeaway.
Yeah.
You can put anything that is available in your fridge.
Yeah.
Your leftover vegetables from last week that is sitting there.
Yes, that's right.
Chop it up, take away all the bad ones away, put the fresh ones in.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't waste anything.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking. Step 1. This is desiccated coconut.
Okay.
I'm gonna cook it over a low heat
Right.
so that it gets nice and toasted. So once you achieve this golden brown, you can add your curry paste.
Oh, that smells amazing. Just opening the packet.
Then after you mix, once it's warmed, then I'm adding the beef. So once you have coated with the meat, you can add your kaffir lime and chilli. So once you get a bit of a sear happening on the beef, we can add the coconut milk and water. Let it cook over a medium heat for about 20-25 minutes.
Yep.
Until the meat is cooked through. Okay, so it's now what, 20-25 minutes, and you can see the gravy has thickened up.
Yes,
and
it's reduced right down.
reduced down, and you can see the oil floating on the side.
Beautiful.
This is what we want perfectly.
Yes.
And now we can add all the vegetables that you have here. Leave it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes.
Yes.
And we are done. Okay, and now the interesting part, as usual.
Oh,
Plating
my
up.
favourite part. Yes.
Okay.
Gosh, that smells extraordinary.
Look at the colors they're coming out. Beautiful. It smells divine.
It does smell
And
divine.
you can have it with some nice rice. As it's sort of, you are having a Masterchef meal.
Yes.
But without a Masterchef's presence there.
Yes, yes.
So,
Well, you're welcome
yeah.
anytime. I'll make you beef rendang.
Please. Anytime. I'll come for a rendang.
Thanks, Sashi.
Thank you.